Hello everyone, welcome back to Poultry Manager video tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn about feed management. Here we can see from setting button, first manage feed type. Here, ready feed types, for example, pre-starter or layer mash or feed. This one I will tell why I put on feed. So here you can see raw feed type. This one is very important. Means you do not make any spelling mistake because it will not display the correct requirement on login page. So type maize and soya stone 35% or for example 5% DO or B. Okay, if you want you can edit or delete from here. So you can see all the silos has been created. For better I'll delete one thing. Which one? I'll delete layer mask. Okay, now you can see. And from here edit capacities and alerts is very important. How much quantity you can store, you can enter. For example, I'll just enter 10,000 across. I don't want to waste much time, that's why I'm entering. But in your case you enter exact value. And here is alert threshold. So for example, if the if the okay, so here is alert threshold. This one is like whenever the stock becomes less than 20% of the pre-starter or total value, it will give you a alarm or alert. And for example, in my case, I'll always keep this one 30% and this one very low as 15%. So whenever the stock becomes less than this value, it will give me alert, visual alert, so I can act immediately. So I'll save now. Okay, you can see all zero and the values are being showed here, and all currently are showing in red because it's now less than the set values. So this one is manage May setting. From this button it will show requirement on login page, and you can add the price also. So currently the comp price is 2700, so I'll say. So on login page you can see nothing is showing up here, but whenever I can see in Mogul code branch requirement is 100 quintal and the price is this one, and from this page they can show the updated price and date. Okay, you can turn it on from this button. can see it will vanish. Okay, from this date range you can select the date range and see all the transaction is being done on this particular dates. So we'll add on transaction. So this one date is cannot be edit, and the transaction is where you can manage. In feed management we can sell feed to other farmers as well. So so this one is if you are producing or purchase you can credit. So now I'll credit. So this one, now I'll take maize quantity is 5,000. I'll take 5,000 kg. Supplier name I just ABC, and the phone number is very important in case of emergency. If you ever need to contact them, the same supplier, you can use this. And the total cost I would enter. For example, I would enter 1,40,000 rupees. So this is being done through bank account. You can select anything. If you have any description you can add here, or else you can just save the transaction. You can see now the 50% is moved, so the mark has been removed. There is no mark like this one, either on red color or yellow color. So you can see here, and this one I'm talking about the bill. So this is the bill, you can see here. The company address, the name, mobile number, description, quantity, price, total amount, everything, and the branch account number, all, and UPI ID, everything. You can see bill receipt and the logo, name, email ID, branch, phone number, everything you can save in the same bill. Okay, you can save or print directly. For example, now I will not save this thing. Okay, so then, and whenever you want to sell this one, I'll use debit. I'll use as a sale. This one means I'll sale. For example, you can use own feed or something like that. So now I'll just enter 1,000 1,000 XYZ, and contact number. The total amount is I use 32,000 rupees, and that you received amount as a cash. Okay, can see this one. Same bill is being generated over here. You can see the when you click on print, it will show up here 32,000 I show. And this amount is being directly saved in ledger. Okay, so before we have done this bank transaction 1,40,000 feed purchase, everything is automatic created, and this one is cannot be edit or delete. Okay, and from this button they can see who created this one. Let's go back to feed management. You can see over here if there is any alert, it will display on here, so you can get to know that easily which one need to top up. Okay, I'll just add some more credit. Now I'll add soya 1,000. Supplier I'll add 6,000. For example, I'll add UPI. Continue. Okay, you can see here Likewise, I'll add some more. Purchase. For example, I'll just add now pre-starter ready feed. I mean, this one is ready feed. I'll add 5,000 quantity, 2,000 quantity. Mm, 65,000. Payment mode is cash. You can see here 20,000 is added. Then some more I'll add because I want to demonstrate mixing station as well. So 15,000 cash. The 5% and DRB left. 3,589 kg supplier. Phone. The total feed. I'll just enter one lakh. Sorry. Mm, Bank transfer. Yes, it. Okay. Now last one is 5%. 5%. Just add 1,000 kg. Total cost I'll just add 1 lakh rupees in cash. Okay, so added. You can see here, and you can see all the transaction here. Only whenever you buy or sell, you can get the bill, or else you will not get all the transaction bills. And here is mixing station. For example, in layer or boiler, they usually mix the raw material and they make their own feed. So for example, I'll show currently here the maize is available 4,000. So in one day the total consumption is 2,000 kg. For example, I'm demonstrating, and I'll add 500 kg. This one stone as 300 kg. This one 5% as 150 kg, and the DORB is 2000 kg, 2000. And here after once you this all raw material is being converted into own feed. That's why I choose own feed. And here all the all this total number you have to enter over here. 2000, 4000, 500, 500, 800, and 4,950 kg total. 4,950 kg. Okay, so you can see all has been changed according to, and you can see the all debit transaction is done, and you can see in own feed the credit transaction automatically done. 4,950 kg. You can see all this thing also. So you can see on feed it's been created 4,950 kg. And you can see in branch log also all all the transactions or activity has been logged in. Okay, this is it. Okay, here if you want to use it for internal purpose, you can use internal, or else if you are selling, then you can use it as a sale. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next one.